Wow. Data ting 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 ting. I've just been to the gym. I cleaned up the room and I'm doing laundry because I hadn't had enough time to do it. So finally I can do that. Yeah, today's day off, but I'm gonna work tomorrow as well. So it's okay. Yeah. So after that, I'm gonna drink a little, watch anime, watch a movie, make dinner, sleep, like that. This is real vlog. Yeah? As alone, yeah? If you live alone, you know, right? This is real vlog. Yeah? Lonely. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Dinner time. Rice, spring onion, chicken breast, enoki. I'm gonna I'm gonna make miso soup, and yeah, I'm gonna use some veggies. Oh yeah. Hey, hey, oh yeah. Dinner time. Right, chicken breast, miso soup, add radish. Oh yeah. Day 14. Oh really? Oh yeah. My brunch. Sausage, miso soup, coffee, rice, furikake on rice. Furikake. It's taste mentaiko. Karashi, yeah, spicy mentaiko. Like this. Oh yeah. Today's day off. I'm not working today, but I'm tired. Still sleepy, so I'm gonna have a nap earlier and then go to the gym. Yeah. Going to the gym. It's gonna be dinner time. I've been to the gym, but I felt like so tired. Yeah, still tired. And then, I'm not hungry, but I feel like I have to eat something. So I'm gonna eat small. It's really small. Rice and 2 eggs, pork, and instant curry. So I'm gonna eat curry. Yeah. Rice already? I don't need oil. Pork. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. And you need water. Woo! I got the curry. Ooh, looks nice, smelling nice. Tasting is really nice. And yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's curry, pork with eggs, and miso soup. It's leftover. It's whiskey, and I'll put water. It's Japanese citrus fruit, and sparkling. Oh yeah! Oh, okay, I'm gonna show you. Come on, baby, come on. Oh yeah!
What's up? I drank alcohol, so my face is red. So, but don't care about that. I'm not drunk. No worries. Anyways, when I can finish my diet, I'm not sure. Maybe for 1 month or 2 months. I don't know, but yeah, till get good body. Yeah, I'll finish it. But after that, I'll keep it up. Yeah, I don't wanna stop. Anyways, I don't know what should I talk about. Well, if you wanna know something, it doesn't matter about diet, like Japanese thing or Japan thing, just comment please. I'll answer for you. It's getting cold, Japan. Anyways, see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah.
Good system. Ranch. It's instant ramen. Sapporo Ichiban miso ramen. And this is tofu, but it's soy tofu. I love it. See? Oh yeah. I'm going to the gym. Actually, I wanna run outside, but it's too cold, so I can't. So I'm gonna do the best in the gym. Oh yeah. I had enough. It's annoying to make for dinner. I'm gonna use this. My dinner. Yeah, it's awesome, right? So I can show you inside. See? Ooh!
Hey, I've got a question from Facebook. Do you eat 3 times a day? If I work, I eat 3 times a day because I need power. Energy. Yeah. But usually I eat 2 times a day, so brunch and dinner. Yeah, cause like habit, it sometimes makes bad. I mean, if you eat 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but if you are not hungry, but it's habit, so you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner every day. So I think it's not good. I think if you are not hungry, just don't eat. Yeah, right? If you wanna be like bodybuilder, you need muscle, so you gotta take protein a lot. But if you don't, if you're not hungry, just don't eat like that. Yeah, I'm doing like that. It depends, but I'm getting better. So yeah, my answer. Thank you. Day 16!
Not changed. Yeah.
Today, I'm gonna go to train. Actually it's late. But yeah, I feel like I have to go. So I'm gonna go. Oh yeah! Let's go! I've just a live shrimp. Sorry, I can't take a movie in here. But I can take photo. So if you are interested, please check my Instagram or Facebook. I came to, I don't know what can I say. Anyway, let's go. Oh yeah. It's frozen. It's so beautiful, right? Yeah, I can relax. There are not much people, but there are some couples. It's good. It seems like I'm happy. It's so beautiful. They're awesome. Thank you for bringing me like that. That's great. I'm not lonely. I'm alone, but I can't do anything. I can't buy anything. I can't go anywhere. It doesn't matter. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's okay. I got to wait for 1 hour in here, cause there's gonna be illuminated. That's awesome. Yeah, I wanna see that. Yeah, this is first time in my life to see that. So I'm excited. I'm excited. So, if I got a if I couldn't wait, so I'm just walking. It's getting cold. Yeah, colder than before. So I changed the cloth. But it's okay. I'm walking. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know, right? I'm living close Tokyo, so there's no river, no forest, no beach. Yeah. So I sometimes go to countryside to relax. It makes me happy. It makes me relax. Sometimes it makes me thinking something, you know. Yeah. Once I wanna live in countryside, but it's so difficult for me. Yeah. Anyways, it's getting dark, so it's gonna be what I'm doing. Can you see that? Yeah, enjoy.